Hey there folks, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where today we're taking a look at a kit set from Osprey. This is a 3-piece set which includes the small, the medium, and the large size cube bags. This is what Osprey refers to as the Packing Cube Set. If you've been following the channel, you know that I love kit bags. It's a great way to organize your gear, and also by using kit bags, it makes your life simple. Not only is it easy to organize your gear, but find it inside of your backpack, and also it's easier to keep track of your gear so you don't lose it when you're out on the trail, which is very, very important. Now, for the longest time, I've been running and gunning with these kit bags here from T.O.G.R. These are very, very good ultralight kit bags. The quality is excellent. The price of these is very high. Now the price for these is also somewhat expensive, with the set of 3 running you $38. Now the set of 3 is ultralight as well, coming in at 2.3 ounces for all 3 bags. This is available in 2 colors. Shadow gray, which you see here. This has a hint of green in it, and personally, I like it. There's also a neon green, which they refer to as electric lime. These are made from 40D Nylon Ripstop. They feature YKK zippers. The small bag weighs half an ounce. It is 7.5 by 5.5 by 4 inches. The medium size is 0.7 ounces. It is 9.5 by 7 by 5.9 inches. Then you have the large size. This is 1.1 ounces. It's 12 by 9 by 7 inches. Now when it comes to the amount of space that each of these offer you, the small size is 1.5 liters. The medium size is 3 liters. Then the large size, that is 6 liters. I've been running and gunning with these pouches for the last couple of weeks, and I like these a lot. Now to give you all an example of what a kit bag is, just in case you've never seen one before, inside of this bag, this is what I refer to as my miscellaneous items. So I have some wet wipes, small first aid kit, toothbrush, toothpaste. I have some antibacterial wipes, some clotting agent, some medical tape, sinus pills. I have a towel, which I use for myself and also to use to protect the camera. This is a tick removal tool. Invaluable. Here is some chapstick that has some sunblock in it. Very important. I always keep some additional cordage with me just in case. I have some nasal spray. I have sinus issues. This helps out a lot. Some meds, some toilet paper, some powder just in case I'm out, I'm hiking, I'm sweating, and I'm concerned about chafing. I also have some water treatment tablets, and that pretty much makes up my miscellaneous kit. Can you see why it's called a miscellaneous kit? Because it's a variety of items. So that's an example of how I go about using these bags. One thing that I think that Osprey really needs to focus on is spending more time with the information concerning their products. I did go to their website to see if they had any issues like with the previous products that we looked at, and their website was just very much generic. There's not much information about the product that you're looking at, unfortunately. It didn't provide any information as far as dimensions, weight, and so on for these bags, which is a shame. They don't really do a good job of explaining what the bags are for, and I noticed this on Amazon, on their website, and on other sites which are selling these bags. That is something they really need to focus on, in my opinion, because Osprey is really pushing these bags more for travel, you know, inside of your suitcase and so on. And yeah, I'm sure they work fine in that regards, but they really do work well as far as kit bags. That is where Osprey really needs to focus on pushing these bags in that direction, because there's other companies out there who have kit bags, Fjallraven, T.O.G.R, and so on, and they're excellent. In my opinion, these are very, very good bags. They're very similar to T.O.G.R in terms of quality. T.O.G.R does use thicker thread for the stitching. They also use larger YKK zippers. In the end here, the quality for these bags really is very, very good. I've had no issues with my testing at all. They really have held up well. And I tell you what, yes, they are pricey, but you're getting that Osprey warranty, which is worth its weight in gold. It really is. It doesn't matter where you purchase these at. It doesn't matter when you purchase them. And it doesn't matter how you've torn them up. Osprey will fix it or replace it. That's huge. That really is huge. So with that being said, yes, the pricing is very close to T.O.G.R, but even T.O.G.R doesn't match that warranty. That warranty is so dang good. So all in all, I do recommend this kit. As you guys have noticed in this video, I have nothing inside of the large kit, and that's because I typically use this as a clothing bag slash pillow. So I'm going out for my hike, my overnight trip. I have jackets, tights, extra socks, stuff like that inside of here, extra insulation layers. It does a great job for that purpose. And also, it makes for a very good pillow when it's full. Yeah, it's getting windy. I better get out of here before I get killed by one of these trees coming down. That pretty much wraps it up for the cube bags. Why are they called cubes? That's because they are cube shaped. Cube shaped. Personally, I like these a lot. I like the design of these even more so than the Kafaro bags, personally. Both are excellent options though. I will continue to use both. Very, very good. If you guys have any questions for me, make sure to email me. Make sure to comment down below, share your thoughts about these. Make sure to share your thoughts about Osprey, the company as a whole. I really do like their products. They make fantastic backpacks, excellent accessories like this. They do need to pay a little bit more attention to their products. At least this time, the information on the packaging is correct. That's pretty good, I guess. Still incorrect on their website, but yeah, okay. That warranty and the quality of their products really does save them. Guys, until next time, everyone, take care, strength and honor. See you guys around. Also, just in case you're wondering, I purchased these with my own money. The outdoor gear review is agenda free. See you guys.